Welcome to another part of my Management Accounts Automation Masterclass. If you've landed here without context, I recommend starting with the introduction video. It's linked below. Everything you need to follow along is in the description. Let's get into it. Okay, this one is year-to-date March, year-to-date current year, and again current year, but budget comparison. So this figure year-to-date we already had in this report, so I can just use the same formula. And this one we want year-to-date on budget. Let's see if we have this. We've got monthly. We don't really have a year-to-date figure. Like for this current reporting period, I will need this. So what I'm going to do, I'll create a helping column which we can hide. This will be P&L year-to-date. And it will be, I'm going to filter what I need up to the period that we're reporting on. So filter everything. If the period, and fix this, is less or equal to current period, and we get this. Now, so if the current period was, for example, 5, it would just return 5 months. If it was 3, it would just return 3 months. So this is dynamic. No, I don't want 10, I want current period. Okay, it is dynamic. And just to get the year-to-date figure, all we need to do is to wrap it in a sum. This is our sum. I can now copy it down. Maybe I'll just add a few extra. And I'm going to format it the same way. Let's just see if this is year-to-date for 10 months. Well, it is because it's 10 times the same. Yeah. So now we've got this figure which we can use, and I can just hide it. We don't ever need to see it again once the formula is built. But for now, let's open it. So this will be now XLOOKUP account name, and let's fix the column. In here, I think I'm gonna up to 60. Let's fix this and return this figure. Okay, didn't work because okay, it didn't work because I referred to a column B, which is this, and I need the full path name, so I need to refer to column A. Okay. And now this works for this one, and this should work for this one, except for the sign. Okay, and now we can copy this. Okay, I can already see that this is correct. Let's just check for this one. So, but we'll add the checks at the end. Next, I'm moving on to the dates. Again, this I have seen this before. I think this is exactly the same, so we can copy this to this. This is also exactly the same as this one. No, it's this one, except instead of... We'll just repeat this, okay. So this is exactly the same. And for this, I need exactly the same, except I'll just add end budget at the end. So the same formula. And budget. So this is dynamic now, this is dynamic. Last thing is the check to TV. Year to date, I will grab this one. So this works, and this one needs to be a little bit different. This one is actually easy because it has to be this minus the bottom of this section. So that's done as well. Now we move on to balance sheet. Thanks for watching. You're one step closer to a fully automated month end. And remember, you don't need to go through the entire masterclass before you start seeing results. Each layer we build adds practical automation that you can apply immediately to your own work. By the end of the series, you'll have everything you need to implement the full system to your own data. And if you'd prefer support or want the system implemented for your company, you can contact me through my website. I'll see you in the next lesson.